Well, first of all, I'm not sure everybody understands what we do every day at UP. We work so hard. We have sick. I'm totally sick. This girl played with cramps for 3 sets. I think Olango is still crying for the cramps. It's an amazing group. We work hard. Sorry, my voice is gone. We work very hard, and we're trying to understand that volleyball is like life. Some days are good, some days are bad. You never give up. You come back stronger until it works. So today was the best example that we could have for these girls to grow up, mature as women also, not only as players. And I think we are on the right path to do good things.
Thank you, Coach. Kasi 18 attacks, 2 blocks, 4 digs, and 4 extra receptions. So yun nga, down kayo ng 0-2 pero hindi kayo tumiklop. So ano masasabi mo na ito pinakamalaki yung panalo this season against the defending champion? So, can you say?
Ayun po, masaya siyempre kasi ayun nga, nanalo kami against NU. And yung nasa isip ko lang po talaga at that time is to fight for the team. Kasi ayun po yung laging sinasabi ng seniors namin na andito na kami and wala namang mawawala sa amin kung ibibigay lang namin lahat. So ayun po, nag-push lang talaga kami hanggang dulo and ayun, nakuha po namin yung panalo.
Thank you. And to Jelai, 15 attacks, 3 blocks, 1 service ace, 11 extra receptions, and 3 digs. So talagang palo, wala ka lang ng palo, pero talagang grabe yung effort ng pinakita mo. So ano masasabi mo na yun nga, inalo nyo defending champion?
Gaya rin po ng sinabi nila na we work very hard every day. Tapos, lagi lang po nasa isip ko is this group baka hindi na maulit-ulit. Kasi may mga seniors kami na graduating. So, ang sa akin lang po, every game talaga nilalaban ko na kasi baka hindi na ulit maulit. So, parang bigyan din sila at least magandang exit sa UP. Yun po yung nasa isip ko.
Dusty Ninian, 10 of 20 attacks, 7 blocks, 1 service, 8. So yun nga, previous loss nyo, hindi nga naging maganda yung result against sa Sun. And yun nga, down kayo ng 2 sets, pero eventually nanalo kayo. So ano yung sinabi mo sa sa mga teammates mo habang ito down na down kayo?
Lagi ko pong sinasabi sa kanila na kaya po namin. And kailangan lang po talaga namin maniwala na kayang-kaya namin yan. And dapat, pag lumalaban po kami, dapat may puso po. Sa lahat ng laro, may puso, may laban. Lagi kong sinasabi sa kanila, magtiwala kayo, kayang-kaya natin yan. Push lang, hindi pa natatapos, wala pang 25, wala pang 15, pero naabol namin and I'm very, very proud sa teammates ko kasi pinagtrabahuan po talaga namin. Teamwork po talaga. And also, this is gonna be a reminder that we have to be humble kahit anong result ng game. Dapat humble and wag makontento sa kung anong napakita namin. Dapat everyday we get better and better. Yun po.